the most advanced and modern telescope in human history. But it is searching for the past, the past of our universe. Every time there is any technological advancement in human history, some hidden aspects of external reality that humans have never seen before are revealed. The truth hidden behind reality will be presented before us, giving rise to more mysteries. Just like the invention of X-rays allowed people to see the secrets inside their own bodies. In the past, people would repeatedly undergo X-rays, but X-rays would slowly consume their bodies. By the time this truth was discovered, it was too late for them. The spread of cancer in their bodies became a gateway. X-rays were discovered, hidden in a painting called The Blue Room, created by Pablo Picasso in 1901. Decades later, in 1997, when X-rays confirmed that a painting was hidden beneath it, it became a mystery. In 2008, with the help of then-new infrared scanning technology, the mystery hidden in this painting was uncovered. An old man with a long beard and a man resting his head on his hand. Another mysterious painting surfaced under the painting, revealed by infrared scanning. But who exactly is the mysterious person in the painting? This mystery remains unsolved. Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope also discovered something similar. A mysterious riddle, a red riddle. Let's take a look at what the James Webb Space Telescope saw at the beginning of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is the most advanced space telescope ever created by humanity. It has discovered some very mysterious things. It is even more mysterious than what we encountered with Pablo Picasso's painting. This time, we discovered a mystery hidden in the distant universe, behind some shining objects. The James Webb Space Telescope discovered this mystery in the early universe. Its observation capabilities have shown us some very peculiar galaxies existing in the early universe, which astronomers were previously unaware of. And the number of these galaxies is indeed very large. Just like the man in Picasso's painting, these galaxies are also very peculiar, and their arrangement should not appear here. Moreover, scientists have found that these galaxies are located in a very strange place, so they have been named Little Red Dots, LRDS. Speaking of JUICE, it is a powerful telescope that can see things beyond the reach of ordinary human eyes. It is specifically designed to study the initial period of the universe, when the first stars and the first black holes formed. Now, the light that started from the beginning has become very weak after traveling billions of light years, extremely weak. When this light first shone, it was clearly ultraviolet or visible light, but due to the long journey and space expansion, the wavelength of the light has stretched, shifting to red and then to infrared. Because of this, ordinary telescopes today can no longer see these celestial bodies. However, JUICE collected these infrared lights and presented these dazzling galaxies before us. Due to the redshift, these galaxies appear red, but surprisingly, many of them are even redder and more compact. No one expected there to be so many of these little red dots. They have attracted the attention of astronomers worldwide. The understanding of these small red dots has significant implications for our understanding of cosmic evolution and the development of low-mass galaxies. Despite discovering these low Earth orbit fragments, what exactly are they? What are they trying to tell us? How did they come into existence in the early universe? Their existence remains a mystery. It seems that those red little dots are not just due to the redshift phenomenon. These little red dots themselves are also emitting a large amount of long wavelength and red wavelength light. Now, whether it is these galaxies emitting red light or the light turning red due to intervening gas and dust, all of this remains a mystery to us. Furthermore, their arrangement structure also perplexes scientists. If we look at these triangles, the average radius of these triangles is close to 500 light-years. In extreme cases, the radius of some triangles is less than 150 light-years. Compared to our Milky Way galaxy, our galaxy is more than 100 times larger than these. The average radius of the Milky Way is 52.85 light-years, which is more than 100 times larger than theirs. We have only discovered these mysterious little dots. The current information has led scientists to two conclusions. Either these triangular galaxies have a supermassive black hole at their center, or they contain a large number of stars concentrated in a small volume. But both explanations have issues. The first clue suggests that the massive galaxies we see in today's local universe had a supermassive black hole at their center, just like the triangular galaxies in the early universe. A black hole 1,000,000 or 1,000,000,000 times the mass of the Sun. We can judge this by observing their spectra. However, this black hole hypothesis has a very peculiar twist, one that leaves scientists in shock. A very strange twist appears in the black hole, a mysterious thing that leaves scientists stunned. The material falling into the supermassive black hole emits light, and some fragments of X-rays are also emitted from the black hole. This means that the little red dots should also be visible in X-ray telescopes if there is a supermassive black hole among them. But to their surprise, scientists found no traces or names of X-rays in the X-ray telescopes. In all the discovered LRDS, most do not show any signs of X-ray emissions, which pushes the black hole hypothesis into a deeper mystery. Furthermore, more shocking discoveries are starting to emerge. In today's universe, there is a correlation between the mass of the central black hole and the number of stars in a galaxy. The black hole's mass is 0.1% of the total mass of the stars. This correlation indicates that these two celestial bodies evolved together. However, the data from these triangular celestial bodies point to a very large anomaly. If a supermassive black hole exists in the LRDS, the mass of this black hole would be enormous, and none of our current correlation data can prove this. In these low-density galaxies, the total mass of stars, which is 40% of the mass, is concentrated in the center and dominates. This far exceeds our imagination. This research can play an important role in understanding the evolution of black holes in the early universe and the strange processes occurring in the universe at that time. However, how these galaxies and black holes formed before remains a mystery. Because of the initial period, even JUICE cannot see it correctly. But what if we consider another possibility outside the black hole? What if these little red dots are just composed of stars? We know that in the process of emitting light, the material falling into the black hole is much more efficient than stars. Therefore, if we remove that part of the light from the stars, we can find many stars that need light in those black holes. It is like considering all the stars in our galaxy. The radius of all stars should be 100 times smaller than our Milky Way. If that is the case, then you know what those triangles are like. If we consider the Sun as the center and observe it within a sphere of 4.2 light-years, we can only see one star there. But if we place this sphere in the triangular area, there would be not just one star but over 1,000,000 stars within this circle. That means over 100,000 stars would appear in just 4.2 light-years. This is quite a lot. In today's modern universe, you don't see such things. So, JUICE has created one of our stars. But if we place this sphere in the triangular area, there would be not just one star within the circle. You know, what we first saw at this moment, what exactly is it in reality? To be honest, we don't know either. JUICE will use longer wavelength infrared to study it again, so we can clearly understand its structure. In addition, more in-depth X-ray observations will be conducted by the next-generation high-resolution X-ray astronomy observatory like XS. By then, we might be able to capture high-energy photons from YAO-2. However, now JUICE has opened a mysterious door, and only mysterious things can come out of it. Just like the mysterious person that appeared in Picasso's painting, these triangular celestial bodies are also a mystery to us. Perhaps this mystery is trying to tell us an unknown story. In the history of the universe, there are many chapters yet to be explored. Over time, scientists will strive to understand it, and with our current scientific level, we will also try to make it reasonable. But think about it, we are just beginning to understand this universe. Every dark corner of the universe hides countless mysteries. Friends, what do you have to say about the triangular celestial bodies? Please tell us in the comments. To learn more about such videos, please subscribe to the channel and use the bell notification. We will meet soon. Until then, stay curious, stay happy. Amit Ba.